Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hi, it's Gail Sheree here. We have another artwork to do. This artwork gave me trouble, okay? But I'm still going to go through the process and I'm going to show you as I go along. And right now we're going to go through the acrylic colors and let's get into it. So this is where I started to have the problem. The plastic that I was using underneath my canvas had a hump in the middle. It's a plastic for one of those storage containers. Yeah. So it has a hump in the middle. That's where if you flip it over, it would be the handle. And trust me, it made everything uneven. So I had to go ahead and prop my canvas up with some fudge sticks, or what you call stirring sticks. Yeah, so that I could get everything even. If you realize, no, it's not moving from side to side to side, it's just staying, and I'm able to get everything together. All right, so let's get back to it. You'll be hearing the TV. They're watching sports. So, how beautiful is this art piece, everyone? Like, it's so beautiful. Like, it's even beautiful in person. It became a little bit chaotic because the silver ended up being too heavy for the white, and it started to move too much, so all this lovely intricacy started to drift because it's so heavy, and then the black just sank beneath the white. However, I still love how the neon red came out in its own hint here and there, but I wish it was more black. I mean, the silver is just gorgeous. No. um I love it, but at the same time, as I said, oh yes, so I use sprinkles to get the real glistening that you'll see here and on the other image. But otherwise, I enjoyed the process, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, bless.